So I do this once a week and I've seen great changes on my skin. It has really helped a lot. So I just use this particular small bottle of red wine for this. Hi guys, so I've washed my face. Today I'm going to be doing a red wine cleanse. I'll be cleansing my face with red wine. It does wonders, so I'll just like to share it with you guys. So I'll be using my red wine. This is my small bottle of red wine that I'll be using for this cleanse. So I'll just open my red wine and I'll be pouring it on this plate. You don't really need much, just this amount is okay. And then I have here my cotton wool. So I'll be using my cotton wool and my red wine. So I just need a small piece of cotton wool. This red wine will tighten it will close your pores, it will tighten your pores. It just does wonders on the face. So you can do this red wine cleanse like once a week or once in 2 weeks. So it's either you do it like this or you use it as a mask. Well, and it smells great as well. So around your eyes, just do it carefully. So I'm not really making it to be too dry on my face. I'm sort of like leaving part of the red wine on my face. As you can see, it's not so dry, so that it will just go into the pores. So I'll just leave it on my face for 10 minutes, then I'll wipe it off. So let's just leave it for 10 minutes to work on the face. So due to its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, applying red wine topically on the face clears the pores. It fights acne and prevents future breakouts. So I'm just washing off the red wine off my face. I've had it for 10 minutes and my face is clean and clear and it feels very nice. So if you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to share.